All right, if you have been watching the price of Cardano lately, you can tell that ADA is stuck. That is the only way of saying it. I'm looking at a daily chart for Cardano right now, and all we see is a range since about the 9th of December. So what is it going to take for ADA to break out and move either up or down? We're going to talk about that right now. But I'm going to switch over to one of my favorite tools, that is tradingview.com, where I look at crypto information, and I'm going to look at its technical analysis for ADA. I'm going to start on the daily side. Obviously, if Cardano does break out, we want to know if it's going up or down. Let's see what TradingView says. On the 1 day, it shows a neutral standing on the summary, a neutral standing on oscillators, and a buy on moving averages. Nothing terribly strong there. On the 1 week, we see a buy, and then a neutral on the oscillators and a strong buy on the moving averages. And on the monthly, we see a buy. Scrolling down, I see oscillators on a buy, moving averages, strong buy. So if the technical analysis of TradingView is any indication, we would expect over the next few weeks or month to see a move upward. And that is kind of what I am expecting as well. Here's why. If I scroll out to the weekly look, I can see here in about October is when ADA was about 0.25, and it started its fantastic run up with the rest of crypto in the middle of October up to about the first or second week of December, when much of crypto has stalled since. Not all of it, but much of it. ADA being one of those coins that has stalled since it hit its high somewhere around 0.67, 0.68, which I'm completely grateful for. I am not complaining. It's hard to complain when a coin or ADA or anything doubles in value in 2 months or so. So no complaints here. But here's the reality. The last 3 to 4 weeks have been stuck in this range from 0.55 to 0.68. Going back to the daily, that is the range I'm talking about that Cardano is stuck in. It's been stuck in that range for some time, and to be honest with you, I think it's going to be stuck in that range for a bit longer. Here's why. ADA has not been a leading coin in this move. It has been a lagging coin. Nothing wrong with that. No problems. Some leading coins have been VET. You can see in this December high around the 13th of December, it has continued upward, although we are seeing weakness in even the leading coins now. Solana was also a leading coin. Here is this December high. It has since broken that and moved upward. Avalanche, last I saw, was giving back a great deal of it. It has since come back down to its December highs right here and is kind of sitting where ADA is, below its most early December highs. But this was also a leading coin. Avalanche was a leading coin. ADA has not been. It's been sitting still in the range. Bitcoin has not broken its highs from December 8th, so it is not a leading coin either. It is also sitting in this range, which we'll talk about in another video, where you see this constricting price. This is what I expect in the next week or so. I could be wrong. Don't trade on this simply. This is just my opinion, not financial trading advice for you. This is just what I see in the markets. I think we're going to range in ADA for the next week or two. We've been ranging since December. I do not see a big move coming in crypto until the first or second week of January. The last 2 years, that's when we have broken out in the crypto market and we have started seeing the next moves. It's just because December and the end of December is slow financially with the end of the year, holidays, and all that across many of the financial markets. So I expect us to continue to range within this range for the next week or two. Every indication, which every indication can be wrong, but every indication, including the technical analysis from TradingView, is showing that over the long term, that is weekly, monthly time frames, the price should be moving up. The only way we'll see that is if Bitcoin can start challenging its 44,000 high, right around here, 44,700, and begin moving on up and attacking 48,000. Some people are saying that may happen in January, and they certainly believe it's going to happen sometime in 2024, probably the first quarter. So we may have to exercise some patience Patience is always very important in crypto, and we may just have to wait until the first or second week of January to see which way ADA is going to move. Again, all the indications are it's going to move up. I'm still seeing higher highs here, which is good. Not necessarily terribly important because it's hard to find any trading advantage in a range. There is none. That's why it's ranging. Nobody's moving the market, so it's ranging. Although I do see this tightening, constricting price action also in ADA that I'm seeing in Bitcoin is just a reflection of the slower time of year. Let's wait until crypto begins moving again. And I do believe for ADA it will be up, but Bitcoin's got to go up, and we cannot see a fall off across crypto. We're starting to see some give back, not fall off, but some give back in the leading coins like VET and Avalanche Solana. But they're just going back, reversion to the mean. They've made such high moves lately, they've got to give back some. ADA didn't break its new high, so it's ranging. It's just fine. We're just going to have to wait. All right, that is my update on ADA. I hope you enjoyed it. Please check back. I will keep you updated on all prices for ADA.